really good.
Whoa.
Look at that arm. Throw it.
I hope that baseball's not worth a lot of money.
No. Whoa! Yay! Throw it high. High.
Whoa.
You got a good arm. You don't throw like a girl. That's so good. Of course. All day you can do it. Throw it at me. Rex. Come here. Come on.
She's gonna be the first girl in Major League.
Woohoo! Right here, right here.
Oh.
Don't let Rex get it. Don't let. Throw it high. High! Throw it up here, up here. Uh-oh. Throw it here.
Yay! Making Rex go crazy. Whoa! Oh, you're trying to throw it at me. Whoa! Good job.